Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type circle numbers in Word. So very easily you can type this circle number in Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab, so just click on it. Now symbols or symbols. Now you need to font select this one. Font select this one. You see here this one, and now you can type here this character code. So character code is 2460. So just type this character code and insert it. This is 1 or this is 2. This is 2. This is 2. Character code is 2, and this 3. And 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. And you can type here very easily. Now close it. So this way you can very easily type circled number in Word. So thanks for watching this video.